Hey, Alyssa. Hi. We miss you.
We're yelling right now because you can't hear us or see.
um, yeah, because the last video we made didn't work.
Because you couldn't hear us.
Yeah, as the white girl makes the point. Well, we missed you and we just wanted to show you some love and mucho, mucho amor. Okay.
Alrighty.
We love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you. Love you. Brian loves you too.
Oh, and
Kiki loves you too. We all love you and miss you. Bye.
Bye.